Assalamu alaikum. Today, Muslims in Canada and around the world mark the start of Ramadan. Families and friends will gather to pray together and fast during the daytime and break their fast in the evening at iftars around the globe. Ramadan honors the values at the heart of Islam, like compassion and service to others. It reminds us to give generously and put the needs of others before our own, this month and throughout the year. For many Muslims, these last few months have been difficult ones. Communities have suffered hateful, Islamophobic acts of violence, acts that have no place anywhere in our world. But we will always stand up against hate. We will always call out Islamophobia for what it is, and together we will keep working to make sure that everyone can practice their faith in freedom. Each day, Muslim Canadians help build a better Canada. Today, let's celebrate their contributions and come together to continue that work. On behalf of our family, Sophie and I wish everyone celebrating a blessed and peaceful Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak.